Okay, friends, so when you are inside of Sketch.io and you want to um, add a photo of a found object in here, first you'll have to create a background color with vector fill. I chose light gray. You can always switch it back to white and click the finish. Once you've done this, your layers tab will open and you can click on this upload button in order to upload a photo of an object. Go to Google Chrome, type in the name of an object like paper clip, spoon, push pen, tennis ball. Find a picture that you like, right click with 2 fingers on your trackpad, and click Save Image As. This will save the image to your computer so that when you click on Upload and you go to Downloads, it should be there. Recents. I just downloaded that spoon. Where did it go? Let's try this again. Right click, save image as, put it in the downloads. Oh, it's on my desktop. We'll title it Spoon. Now I should be able to find it. There it is. Spoon. Once you have your image in here, remember you can use your selection tool to grab the image and resize or rotate your spoon however you want. I'll leave it like this, maybe like a little bit bigger. And now I'm going to lock my spoon in place. Now, your job is to draw around the found object, just like your friends who chose to draw on paper. They're using an object that they found in their house, like a spoon, and they are drawing around the object, incorporating the object into their artwork. So you could turn this spoon into the trunk of an elephant, or maybe the really long neck of a brontosaurus. Okay? So right now you're going to draw around your object. All right, so now that you have drawn something and incorporated your spoon somehow, it's time to export and then upload it into Seesaw. Remember, you can always grab one of these drawing tools like the pen and write your name before you turn it in. Okay, click on this export button, select download as JPEG, come back into Seesaw and upload your image. And you have completed your found object drawing.